What?
Narrate.
What do you mean narrate? There's nothing to narrate.
Some pastures.
That's what I'm taking a video of. There's some like barns and stuff up here.
These are some nice pastures.
Do people live here?
Nope, I don't think so. Beware of the dog.
Who's the dog?
There! Look at the dogs.
Geese! Wait. Oh,
See 'em?
zoom in on them.
Do you see them?
Geese!
Oh, they say hi. It's cold. Come, let us
Inside.
inside.
And some trees and like a thing. Where's the ring? Do they have a ring?
I don't know. Well, I mean, it very well could be way back there somewhere.
Zoom in and see if I can see it. I don't see anything.
But look, show them the pastures over here too. There's a birdhouse. There's some sort
Where are the
of raised
chickens?
planters.
Where are the chickens though? Can we keep going the other way?
That one?
Yeah. These are really big pastures.
This one is going to need a fence completed.
Yeah. So I guess they'll each get their own pasture unless they're all like wanting to be together. Like they could very well get their own pasture. And we also could ride in the pastures.
Yep.
Is this land across from theirs?
Probably not. All right, go ahead.